In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize Google Tasks. As we all navigate our bustling daily lives, keeping track of our tasks and priorities can quickly become overwhelming. Fortunately, Google Tasks is here to help us stay organized and focused on what matters most. But how do we make the most out of this tool? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to prioritize your tasks using Google Tasks. First things first, let's get you logged into your Google account. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. Start by typing in your email address and then proceed to input your password. Remember, keeping your password secure and unique is crucial, so make sure it's something only you would know and is difficult for others to guess. After you've successfully entered your login credentials, go ahead and click on the Next button to access your Google account. Now you're all set to start organizing your life with Google Tasks, but there's one more step before we can get to that. Navigate to the Google dashboard. This may seem like an extra step, but Google Dashboard is essentially your command center, giving you access to every service Google offers you, including Gmail, which we'll need to access Google Tasks. Once you've reached your Google Dashboard, look for the Gmail icon and click on it. Gmail is not just for emails, it's also your gateway to Google Tasks. Now here's where the magic happens. On the right side of your Gmail inbox, you will find the Google Tasks icon. It's a small circular icon that resembles a checklist. Clicking on it will open up your Tasks panel. If you're new to Google Tasks or looking to start fresh, the next thing you'll want to do is create a new list. This is particularly useful if you have different areas of your life you want to keep separate, such as work, personal projects, or household chores. Click on Create a New List to get started. Give your list a name that reflects the tasks you're going to add to it. Keeping your tasks organized into lists not only helps in keeping them manageable, but also ensures that you're focusing on the right tasks at the right time. Now, the core of our discussion today, prioritizing. With your list created, it's time to start adding tasks. But here's the secret sauce: prioritizing them effectively. Since Google Tasks does not inherently allow you to set priority levels, we'll use a simple but effective method. For each task you add, consider its urgency and importance. One way to prioritize is by assigning deadlines to each task. Tasks that need immediate attention should be given an earlier deadline. For tasks that are important but not urgent, set a deadline that reflects that. This will visually help you see which tasks need your attention first. Another prioritization strategy involves naming your tasks with a prefix that indicates their priority level, such as high, medium, or low, before the task name. This method gives you a clear, at-a-glance understanding of what needs to be tackled first. Remember, the key to effective task management is not just listing what needs to be done, but organizing your tasks in a way that makes them manageable and aligned with your life's priorities. And there you have it. With your tasks now neatly organized and prioritized in Google Tasks, you're well on your way to becoming more productive and less overwhelmed by the daily grind. Utilizing Google Tasks effectively can transform a chaotic to-do list into a structured plan of action. Remember, the goal here isn't just to get things done, but to make sure the most important things get done first. Adjust and refine your approach as you go along, and you'll find that Google Tasks is an indispensable tool in managing your daily life. I hope this guide has been helpful in teaching you how to prioritize with Google Tasks. Keep experimenting with the best ways to manage your tasks, and before long, you'll be mastering your to-dos like a pro. Here's to a more organized and productive you.